I'm Jennifer Martens, and I'm an independent superstar director with my amazing Scentsy team, Team Superstar Housewarmers. This channel is designed with you in mind, to teach you tips to maximize your time and grow your at-home business. Today, I'm going to be speaking to you about creating gift baskets. Stay tuned. So let's talk about gift baskets. The rules with Scentsy is that you can show and take a picture of a gift basket that you've put together. The only thing is that you cannot attach a price point to that, okay? So you could say, did you know that we can create a gift baskets for you based on your theme or your budget? And then you can say, please private message me. And then you can send them these details in an email. So in this basket, I went with a turquoise blue theme. That's our branding. If you look at any of our family Scentsy business information, all of our brochures, catalogs, joint packages, any marketing that we have, there's turquoise blue in there. So I just wanted to create one to incorporate that. And so the things that I chose to put in here, dryer discs. The reason I did that is that most people are not already using our laundry line. So I like to include something that they probably don't already use so that they can fall in love. If you do want to cut the cost on this, of course, you could take one of these out as long as it's labeled properly. And you can use a single because dryer discs come 2 to a box. I included 2 Scentsy bars because, of course, that's where the love of Scentsy originates. Everybody falls in love with that. I did a sample of our laundry liquid. I did a scent circle, and inexpensive, but something that they literally will have in front of their face every day if they drive. And then of course I put some pods as well as our new mini fan diffuser. So that's what the pods are for, so that they can actually use this. There's no sense in ever giving somebody something that they need to buy something else to use. That's actually quite slimy, so we don't want to do that with our business. So a mini fan diffuser, and of course in the little teal color. It's called Mint in the catalog. So everything is here, and again, if you wanted to cut the cost on this, you could separate. These come as a twin pack. You could separate those and sell them, incorporate just one depending on your budget for your basket, as long as it's properly labeled. And then of course I just put in some brochures. I put our showcase brochure. I spoke to the new personal products, so the skin line. And then I have tucked in the back here the monthly specials. The reason I have it tucked in the back is that it's quite heavy on the pink, and so I just wanted it to be incorporated but not really featured for this basket. So I hope that gives you an idea. So what I could charge for this would be only for the products, okay? So we cannot charge for samples, and we cannot charge for packaging. So remember that. You want to be able to utilize some packaging that you can get that's inexpensive, because you cannot get reimbursed for that for your customer. We do not work for Dollarama. We cannot resell Dollarama items to make a profit or to make that money back. So bear that in mind. I know there are a lot of groups on Facebook that demonstrate different whiff boxes or scent crates or gift baskets. And very often I look at them and I can quickly tell that these people have a hobby and not a business. And the reason I can say that with certainty is once they have packaged it up, when I see what they're charging, because we share in these groups and we like to share what we do, I can see that they actually are making no money. They're not making any profit from their bundles after they've paid for all the little extras. And that's okay if they just want to do Scentsy just for fun. That's totally fine. But this channel is designed for you to make more money. This is for my business builders on this team. And so just bear that in mind, that you don't want to overdo it. So if you make 20% commission as an essential consultant, bear that in mind. Figure out what do you earn once you've sold these products, and make sure that you're not spending all of your commission or more. In often cases, I see that people are spending more than they're earning just to put them together. But it's maybe for them, it's an outlet, it's something that they love to do. So for me, when I look at them, I think, well, they're just doing it as a hobby. For those of you watching this, if you've subscribed to my channel, you know This is not a hobby for us. This is actually our full-time business. And so we have to make smart business moves when it comes to money-making items. So anyways, I just wanted to come on and show you guys the idea behind making baskets. And I certainly encourage you to do that if you want to. You don't have to. You're an independent consultant. You can do what you want to do. Thanks so much.